again on Behind the Gloves with another news update, keeping you guys up to date with all things combat. Following the breaking news that we broke about an hour ago about the Gennady Golovkin, Abel Sanchez situation, Abel Sanchez has released a statement which I will read out to you guys right now. FYI, as of today, I will no longer be working with Gennady Golovkin. After a great 9-year run, records set, and equal developing a Hall of Fame career, and making it possible to sign a 6-fight, $100 million contract with DAZN, he proposed and insisted on an insulting new trainer compensation schedule. My dignity and honor does not allow me to be screwed like that. It's unfortunate. Being greedy, being ungrateful, and no ethics, honor, or integrity will end this relationship. Wow, absolutely incredible. As if we didn't see the split coming originally anyway, to see this come out now from Abel Sanchez is just mind-boggling. What is your guys' thoughts on that? Let us know in the comment section below, and we will keep you updated with any other breaking news coming your way. So make sure to subscribe, and we'll see you guys soon.
Hi fans, it's Michelle Joy Phelps. If you haven't already subscribed to our YouTube channel, make sure you do so by clicking this icon right here, or else